Yo, I'm going to do a driver's front window regulator on a 2004 CR-V. The motor still works. The real dead giveaway though is the cable that's hanging out of the window. And it fell down too. Somebody's got it taped up, the window. I'm going to take this plastic piece of trim off first that's right on the other side of the mirror. I can just get a screwdriver in here. And I can see there's little clips, these metal clips. I think there's two of them. There's one there and one down there, kind of buried. I got a little plastic button here. I push in the center and then it falls right out. One of these. There's supposed to be a little plastic cover that you take out with a pick right here to get at these screws, but it's already gone. Number 2 Phillips will get these two out. There's 2 more Phillips screws hiding right here, I think. Yeah. There's one here and there's one in this corner over here. That's all the screws. There's a plug here. You push in this tab right here and you can get that out. And you can carefully pull this back. And there's a little piece of plastic here. And you push this out like this. And this comes out. Those little panel clips holding in the outside edge. I should be able to just pop them out, and wow, there should be a lot more in. There should be a lot more in there than what I just took out. I bet it's missing a few. This thing's been off before. Now that I got this off, there's wires back here. And there's little clippy things holding them in. I can just take a needle nose or a screwdriver and just try to pop them out. Sometimes they break. This one's already broke. There's a couple tabs. I can push a tab in right here. And get that out, that tab. And then on this one there's a tab right here. I can unplug that. And this one there's a tab right here. Unplug that. Yeah, there's some really sticky glue that's holding in this plastic, and it's obviously been peeled off before. So it comes off a lot easier for me. There's a little plastic widget here. And where'd it go? Oh, plastic widget. Yeah, you might have a little harder time than I do peeling this stuff off. It's pretty sticky and gooey. You just peel it off real slow. Here's the power for the motor. So I gotta unplug this and pop this out. That didn't break. I gotta get the window down now. So I'll take these fancy homemade devices out of here. I got a feeling this will just go down on its own. Yep, I'm lucky. I'm going to put a little wedgie in here to kind of hold it in. I needed to get it down far enough to get access to these 2 bolts for the window and these 2 holes. All of these are 10 millimeters. There's 3 here. 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. First thing I'm going to do is unbolt the window. So I took out those 3 bolts, these 3 bolts, and the rest of these got little slots in them. So I can just loosen these up a couple of turns. And if I'm lucky, I can just take this thing out. Maybe that's a bad idea. And for whatever reason, this motor seems like it's not even attached. Wow, I'm gonna let this window up. That gave me some serious amounts of room. Oh wow, it's in two pieces. It's not supposed to be either. Oh, that busted right off. Wow. I think there's more pieces in here. Yeah, here's another piece. There. I think I got them all. Got them 3 bolts on the motor. I'm going to stick this thing in here. The motor should be facing kind of up. So it should go in just like this. Get my wire. Yeah, that wasn't plugged in either. Try to pop this out. Try to pop this out. I said try to pop this out. Yay, I got you. Okay. Tighten this motor down first. I can go ahead and take out my wedgie with this window down nice and easy. It should just rest right on here. For whatever reason, I want to tighten this window down before I tighten these bolts up. Probably doesn't matter too much, but it might. Sometimes when you put regulators in, the window's not square. Sometimes they don't work. They have other problems binding up or whatever. So I'm going to plug this in and make sure it works before I assemble all of this. Just the one plug. Seems really nice. Now I can go ahead and put the plastic junk back on. I don't think I forgot much. I hope. Put this back in the same way you take it off. I got a little hook. These are pretty slick for this. Just grab it and stick it in the hole. And done. Okay, bye.